What, Rakhi Sawant?
Even she doesn't overreact so much.
Man, you can just compare Rakhi Sawant to Manish.
Emotional damage.
Don't call me ma'am. I'm a very young woman. I'm only 22.
But I actually attend school very early morning, so that means 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock you join school. You know what time I wake up?
No, I don't know, maybe 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
Mad or what? You know, when I wake up, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. Oh, you've already searched.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna make a chill video, just like we're gonna be hanging out. We're gonna be watching a video. You guys are gonna be reacting to it.
So roasting.
Yeah, roasting.
Okay.
Because I want to show that guy and I want him to cry. Okay, Aryaman is smiling already. He knows.
If it is this... I will be roasting him so much because I hate you.
I like the honesty.
Where do these sounds come from? Of course, they're not coming out of my hands. We did some really cool sound effects for our video.
Why is Sofy already embarrassed?
I know him.
There is sound of a toilet.
Ow! Make sure you don't hurt yourself or anybody else while performing these stunts at home. This is really good. Nice. This was a nice sound. It takes a lot of hard work. Sweat.
Why is everyone silent?
And it was very funny because at one part he made the sound of a toilet.
You didn't like it. Why didn't you like it?
I don't know. He was like in the process of making this, you make so much noise and it's so irritating for the people who live above you and below you and beside.
But then when you're making Foley noises, then you have to make noise. Now, how will the noise get captured by a microphone?
But you can make it somewhere else.
Even the lighting was great because of the window. It was the natural light.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Like there was this part at the end of the video where he said he got tired. Like if he's getting tired, then why is he doing it in the first place?
Because you should never give up. But if I'm playing games and I'm getting tired, I still play games, so that's why.
So you guys found a little exaggeration in the video? Like, was he a little hyper?
Not a little.
Yes, ma'am, he was hyper. I wanted to be more hyper.
You wanted it to be more hyper.
Rakhi Sawant wants to overreact.
What, Rakhi Sawant?
Even she doesn't overreact so much.
Man, you can just compare Rakhi Sawant to Manish. He is sitting outside only. He's working.
That should do it.
So there's a lot of chopping sounds that he's used the drums. I don't know what that is.
The sound effects aren't actually real, but he's just using the video sound effect.
I personally think him making the sound effects looked cooler than the Manish guy.
Then we'll roast him.
Funny.
Imagine if he came 5 minutes back when we were still roasting.
Yeah, right. How are you going to replicate that cutting sound? Can you show me?
Probably
He did it with
his
that.
pencils.
Aryaman, you stop playing with green screen. You can also try scale.
I can do it.
Yeah, that is steel is better.
Yeah, that works. What are you using? Aryaman, what are you doing? Oh, that's very smart. Yeah. So,
The rock
Aryaman,
sound-
what you're doing now, it looks like you're scraping some fruit off. That sounds like
Yeah,
that.
ma'am, that's what I'm doing only.
Yeah. You guys are like better than Manish at this.
Yeah. 100, no, infinite times better than Manish.
Emotional damage.
Suppose if you are walking, na, you can hear the kid walking. How you gonna show an exact essay, like walking down the stairs? Yeah, that's a little fast. Aryaman, can you slow down a bit? Yeah. Make it very, very faint. Yeah, exactly.
I'm just doing it on the mic.
So cool, na? Well, now you guys know what Foley means,
Yes.
basically. So you guys seem interested in this. Do you think you want to make more of this later on?
Probably.
Yeah, ma'am, we want to make a lot of it later on.
But Foley is very, very interesting because you get to be as creative as you want. It's super cool.
Ma'am, you will cut your phone when you will cut.
What did he say?
Now I'm going to leave before we continue roasting Manish, and then it will just be very, very sad. Cool, you guys can say bye to the channel, everyone
Bye.
who's watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, actually.
Like the
Bye.
video
Bye.
and subscribe.
Bye, yeah. And don't watch PewDiePie like Aryaman said.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe.